Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet on Tomarket application, and that's pretty simple and easy to do. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel before we dive into it, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are logged into Tomarket, you can go either on wallet option or on tasks. And if you would go on tasks, you will see that there are special tasks, connect your Bitget wallet. So you can go ahead and click on start and you will be redirected to the wallet section. And for this, you will get 5,000 tomato coins. So on wallet option, you want to first download your Bitget wallet, not Bitget application, but Bitget wallet application. And after that, connect it. So I have already downloaded it and I already have Bitget wallet. So after you've done that, you want to click connect. And after that, click yes. Now this will pop up and you will see your Ton network address here. And you want to click approve. After that, you want to return to the website, and it may take a while for it to load up. And here it is. Your wallet should be connected now, and that's pretty much it. How you connect your Bitget wallet. Now you can just claim those 5,000 tomatoes, and yeah, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.